How are you?
I am fine.
What's your full name?
My full name is MD Alipurjaman Pakun.
Arpuzjaman Papun, right. What's your father name?
My father name is MD Kamrujjaman Biplab.
Kamrujjaman Biplab. What's your mother?
My mother name is MST Parvin Begum.
What's your father?
My father is a businessman.
Businessman, right. What class do you study?
I study in class 9.
Class 9. What's your group?
My group is science. I like this.
Okay. What's your school name?
My school name is Swan High School.
Swan High School, right. What's your aim?
My aim is software engineer.
Software engineer. Why do you like the software engineer?
It's better than other passion.
Other occupation, right. Okay. Do you like your school?
Yes, I do. Like
Why?
this.
Is the special one?
This environment, I like this.
Okay, environment is very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
And better than other school, okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
ভিডিও ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই লাইক কমেন্ট করে পাশে থাকবেন। ফলো ফর মোর ভিডিও and please subscribe the channel. Please don't forget to share the video. Thank you.